students, hope you're all having good time. In the previous class we discussed about matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. Today we shall discuss a new method called Gauss-Jordan method. In this method you have to write the given equations in the augmented matrix form. Augmented form is nothing but write the coefficients including the constant. Now here it is 1, 1, 1, 1. Here it is 2, 2, 3, 6. Here it is 1, 4, 9, 3. So you have written the augmented matrix. Now what we shall do is, we shall write this in the form of identity matrix. For that first I am applying a row operation. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So what do we get? 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, 4. Now R3, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. Now next one is R1 changes to R1 minus R2. If you apply this, what do you get? 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 4, minus 3. That is what you get. The remaining columns you have 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 3, 8, 2. Now here also I want a 0. So what I will do is, I will do R3 changes to R3 minus 8R2. So what do you get? 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0, anyway 3, 8 minus 8, 0, 2 minus 30, 2 minus 32, minus 30. This is what you get. Now once you get this, divide R3 with 3. If you divide R3 with 3, you get 0, 1, 0, minus 10. Next, we will change R1 changes to R1 minus, we want a 0 here. So what I will do is, R1 changes to R1 minus R3. So what do you get? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 3 plus 10 is 7. This is what you get. 1, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, minus 10. This is what you get. Now we will interchange these two. R2 changes to R3, R3 changes to R2. We will change the positions of this. What do you get? 1, 0, 0, 7, 0, 1, 0, minus 10, 0, 0, 1, 4. So therefore x, y, z is equal to 7, minus 10, 4. We shall discuss one more problem. Solve the following using Gauss-Jordan method. Next one. Second one, 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. Now first write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. How to write the augmented matrix? 2 minus 1, 3, 9, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 1, 2. This is what is augmented matrix. So we have to convert this into a identity matrix. First of all you do R1 changes to R1 plus R2. What do you get? 2 plus 1, 3, here 0, 4, 9 plus 6, 15. 1, 1, 1, 6, 1 minus 1, 1, 2. Next, R1 changes to R2 changes to R2 minus R3. What do you get if you do this? R2 changes to R2 minus R3. First row as it is, 3, 0, 4, 15. R2 changes to R2 minus R3, 0, 1 minus of minus 1. This will become 2. Here you get 0. 6 minus 2, here you get 4. Then you have 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 2. Divide the second row with 2. R2 changes to R2 divided by 2. So what do you get? 3, 0, 4, 15. 0, 1, 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 1, 2. Next, R3 changes to R3 plus R2. In this case, what we'll get, we'll see. 3, 0, 4, 15. 0, 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 1, 4. This is what you get. Now, where should we get another 0 here? So we shall do R2 changes to R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. So what do you get for this? You can write this, it's equivalent to, if writing equal to, right. R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. So here you get 3, 0, 4, 15, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1 minus 3R3 minus R1, 3R3 minus R1. So this will be 0, 0. Here you get 1 minus 3 minus 4, minus 1, 4 minus 12 minus 15, minus 3. So here divide R3 with minus 1. What do you get? 3, 0, 4, 15, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3. You have to get a 0 here. So for that we shall do R1 changes to R1 minus 4R3. So that is nothing but 3, 0, 1, R1 minus 4R3, that is R1 minus 3R3. So that will be 4 minus 1, which is 1. We want to get zeros here. R1 minus 4R3, that will be 0. 15 minus 12, that will give you 3. So here you get 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3. Here you get 3, 0, 0, 3. So what we'll do is R1 changes to R1 divided by 3. So what do we get? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3. Here x, y, z is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is what you get at the end. Now this procedure may be difficult to you, so you can come down to college from 10:30 to between 10:30 to 1:30 and you can ask doubts in this. So that's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.